Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel Physics for Medical and Engineering. Today we will going to learn types and applications of laser. Now let's first start with types of laser. Laser are classified into four types based on the type of laser medium used, and that is solid state laser, gas laser, liquid laser and semiconductor laser. Now the first one is solid state laser. A solid state laser is a laser that uses a solid as a laser medium. In this laser, glass or crystalline materials are used. Ions are introduced as impurities into host material, which can be a glass or crystalline. The process of adding impurities to the substance is called doping. Rare earth elements such as cerium, terbium, erbium, etc. are most commonly used as dopants. Materials such as sapphire, that is aluminum oxide, neodymium doped yttrium aluminum garnet, neodymium doped glass and ytterbium doped glass are used as host material for laser medium. Out of this, neodymium doped yttrium aluminum garnet is most commonly used. The first solid state laser was a ruby laser. It is still used in some applications. In this laser, a ruby crystal is used as a laser medium. In a solid state laser, light energy is used as a pumping source. Light sources such as flash tube, flash lamp, arc lamp or laser diode are used to achieve pumping. Semiconductor lasers do not belong to this category because these lasers are usually electrically pumped and involve different physical processes. And the next one is gas laser. A gas laser is a laser in which an electric current is discharged through a gas inside the laser medium to produce laser light. In gas laser, the laser medium is in the gaseous state. Gas lasers are used in applications that require laser light with a very high beam quality and long coherence length. In gas laser, the laser medium or a gain medium is made up of the mixture of gases. This mixture is packed up into the glass tube. The glass tube filled with the mixture of gases act as an active medium or laser medium. A gas laser is the first laser that works on the principle of converting electric energy into the light energy. It produces a laser light beam in the infrared region. Gas lasers are of different types and they are helium neon laser, argon ion laser, carbon dioxide laser, carbon monoxide laser, excimer laser, nitrogen laser, hydrogen laser, etc. The type of gas used to construct the laser medium can determine the laser wavelength or efficiency. The next is liquid laser. A liquid laser is a laser that uses the liquid as a laser medium. In liquid laser, light supplies energy to the laser medium. A dye laser is an example of the liquid laser. A dye laser is a laser that uses an organic dye as the laser medium. These lasers generate laser light from the excited energy state of organic dyes dissolved in a liquid solvent. It produces laser light beam in the near ultraviolet to the near infrared region of the spectrum. And the last one is semiconductor laser. Semiconductor lasers play an important role in our everyday life. These lasers are very cheap, compact size and consume low power. Semiconductor lasers are also known as laser diodes. Semiconductor lasers are different from solid state laser. In a solid state laser, light energy is used as the pump source, whereas in a semiconductor lasers, electrical energy is used as the pump source. In a semiconductor laser, a p-n junction of a semiconductor diode forms the active medium or laser medium. The optical gain is produced within the semiconductor material. Now, the applications of laser. Laser is an optical device that generates intense beam of coherent monochromatic light by stimulated emission of radiation. Laser light is different from an ordinary light. It has various unique properties such as coherence, monochromaticity, directionality, and high intensity. These all properties are already discussed in a previous video. Because of these unique properties, lasers are used in various applications. The most significant applications of lasers include laser in medicine, laser in communication, laser in industries, laser in science and technology, lasers in military. Now, the first application is laser in medicines. Lasers are used for bloodless surgery. Lasers are used to destroy kidney stone. It is used in a cancer diagnosis and therapy. It is used for eye lens curvature corrections. Lasers are used in a fiber optic endoscope to detect ulcers in intestines. Lasers are used to remove tumors successfully. Lasers are used in a cosmetic treatment such as acne treatment, cellulite and hair removal. The liver and lung disease could be treated by using lasers. The second application is lasers in communications. Laser light is used in optical fiber communications to send information over large distance with low loss. Laser light is used in underwater communications network. They are also used in space communication, radar and satellites. The next one is lasers in industries. Lasers are used to cut glass and quartz. Lasers are used in electronic industries for trimming the components of integrated circuit, that is IC. Lasers are used for heat treatment in the automotive industries. Lasers are used to drill aerosol nozzle and control orifice within the required precision. Now, laser in science and technology. A laser helps in studying the Brownian motion of particles. With the help of helium neon laser, it was proved that the velocity of light is same in all directions. With the help of laser, it is also possible to count the number of atoms in a substance. Lasers are used in a computer to retrieve stored information from a compact disc, that is CD. Lasers are used to store large amount of information or data in the CD-ROM. Lasers help in determining the rate of rotation of the earth accurately. Lasers are used in a computer printers. It is also used for producing three-dimensional picture in a space without the use of lens, that is holography. Now, laser in military. Laser range finders are used to determine the distance to an object. The ring laser gyroscope is used for sensing and measuring very small angle of rotation of the moving object. Laser can be used as a secretive illuminators for reconnaissance during night with high precision. Lasers are used to dispose the energy of a warhead by damaging the missile. Laser light is used in lidars to accurately measure the distance to an object. So this is the overview of type and applications of laser. If you have any question or suggestion, do let me know in the comment section below. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.